Good morning, students. Myself Gaurav Kumar Sharma, and in today's class we are going to continue our chapter coordinates. In this class, we will discuss about Cartesian plane, quadrants, axes, ordinates, and coordinates in detail. So let's start. So first of all, student, we will talk about Cartesian plane. What is a Cartesian plane? Actually, when on a plane we draw two perpendicular lines like this, or we can also say that Cartesian plane is made up of two perpendicular lines. The first one is horizontal, which is known as x-axis, and the second one is vertical, which is known as y-axis. And where both the axes cut each other, that point is known as origin and is denoted by O or 0. And the horizontal axis is denoted by x-axis, and the vertical axis is denoted by y dash. In short, the horizontal axis is known as x-axis and the vertical axis is known as y-axis. Students, when we move in the direction of OX, then we get positive numbers. And when we move in the direction of OX dash, we get negative numbers. That is why OX is also known as positive x-axis and OX dash is also known as negative x-axis. Similarly, when we move in the direction of OY, we again get positive numbers, and when we move in the direction of OY dash, we get negative numbers. That is why OY is known as positive y-axis and OY dash is known as negative y-axis. So student, this is our Cartesian plane. Now we will discuss about what are quadrants and what are axes, ordinate and coordinates. Now students, we will talk about quadrants. What are quadrants? Actually, when both the axes, that is x-axis and y-axis, cut each other, then they divide the Cartesian plane into four parts, which are numbered as 1, first, second, third, and fourth in anti-clockwise direction from positive x-axis, that is from OX, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 in anti-clockwise direction from OX, that is positive x-axis. So these are our quadrants. Now students, we will talk about abscissa and ordinate. What is abscissa and what is ordinate? So in this figure we can see that there is a point P, and this point P is from certain distances from x-axis and as well as y-axis. So actually student, abscissa is the distance of the point from the y-axis. That is the distance, the perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis is known as its abscissa, and it is also known as x coordinate. That is, the value of x coordinate will be known as abscissa. In this particular example, you can see that this point P is 3 unit distance away. That is, this point P is at 3 unit distance away from the y-axis. So the x coordinate or the value of abscissa here will be 3. And similarly, the distance of the point from x-axis, the perpendicular distance of the point from x-axis is called ordinate, and it is also known as y-coordinate. Okay student, and in this particular example you can see that this point P is 4 unit distance away from this x-axis, so the value of y-coordinate will be 4. So in this particular example we have abscissa as 3 and ordinate as 4. Abscissa means the value of x coordinate and the ordinate means the value of y coordinate, and both of these two numbers, that is the x coordinate and y coordinates, together are called coordinates of the point. That is, the coordinates of this point P is 3, 4. 3 means the value of the abscissa and 4 means the value of the ordinate. Now let's take an example. In this example, we have to find the abscissa, ordinate and coordinates of this point P. So student, as we know that the abscissa means the perpendicular distance of the point P from the y-axis. So you can see here the perpendicular distance of this point P from y-axis is 2 unit distance. This is. So the value of abscissa, or we can also say that the value of x coordinate is 2, because abscissa is also known as x coordinate. And similarly, what is ordinate? Ordinate is also known as y coordinate. So what is the value of y coordinate here? 3. So our coordinate will be 3. And these two values together is known as coordinates of the point. So the coordinates of this point P will be 2, 3. This is our abscissa and this is our coordinate. So this is how we can find for any point in a Cartesian plane its abscissa, coordinate and